time to close your pool. But what exactly do you need to do to prep the pool for the off-season months? And how do you avoid big problems like freezing parts or algae growth? Well, don't panic. Here are 9 steps to close and winterize your swimming pool. Check it out. First, before you start to winterize your pool, you'll need a few supplies: winter chemicals or a winterizing chemical kit, a winter cover, water tubes to hold down that cover, a cover cable and winch for above ground pools, an air pillow for above ground pools, rubber or threaded plugs for your skimmers and return jets, something called a gizmo for your skimmers or an empty soda bottle. You'll also need an air compressor if you have an in-ground pool, and this is to blow out the lines. And then finally, make sure that you have the right toolkit and protective equipment like goggles and gloves. Okay, let's get to winterizing that pool. Step number 1, clean your pool and balance your pool water. Remember, whatever state you leave your pool in now is how you'll find it in the spring when you take the cover off, or possibly worse. So clean, clean, clean. Your future self will thank you. You'll need to brush, skim, and vacuum your pool, and make sure no debris is left behind. You'll also want to make sure that your water is balanced, and that means checking the pH, alkalinity, calcium hardness, and sanitizer levels. You'll also want to shock your pool just a few days before closing it. If you want to add something like winter algicide, do not add that with shock. You'll have to wait at least 8 hours to add that. And as always, safety first. So wear protective gloves, goggles, and a mask when handling pool chemicals. And be sure to check out our other videos for more information about pool water chemistry. Step number 2, clean your filter system. If you have a DE filter tank, you'll want to drain it and leave your backwash valve open. For sand filters, you'll want to remove the drain plug and leave it off all winter. And if you have a cartridge filter, you'll want to remove that cartridge and clean it. Step number 3, remove your return jet fittings and skimmer baskets. Put fittings and other items that you remove in the pump basket so that you don't lose them and you can find them in the spring. Step number 4, remove additional pool equipment. Remove any equipment from your pool that you can. That means diving boards, ladders, and floats. And if you can remove the pump and filter, but not a sand filter, you can store that away as well. Step number 5, disconnect and drain your pump and filter. For above ground pools, remove all the hoses from the pump and filter, and the pump is drained by removing the drain plugs. Unscrew the quick disconnect fittings or unions. Step number 6, disconnect and drain your heater and other filter equipment. If there's a heater, drain it and make sure there's no sitting water inside. Remove all drain plugs, if any, but do not remove the heater tray. Step number 7, blow out your pool if you have an in-ground pool. Before you get started, you need to know how your pool works. You'll need to blow air into the pipes underground that connect to your skimmers and your main drain to the filter system and then back to your return jets. You probably have valves that direct water to and from your filter system. Make sure that you understand what all these valves do before you start. Every pool is built differently. With your air compressor, you'll blow out the return jets, blow out all the skimmer pipes, and then blow out the main drain line. When you see bubbles coming out of the drain, close the valve. This will create an airlock and no water should enter the pipe from the pool side. By the way, if you'd like an in-depth, step-by-step tutorial walking you through any of these steps, check out our pool winterization course at swimuniversity.com/winter. Step number 8, install an air pillow if you have an above ground pool. The pillow helps you prevent your pool from turning into a giant icicle. You can also use tires, tubes, balls, and other air-filled floating objects. Just throw them into your pool under your cover. Step number 9, install your pool cover and water tubes. After you secure your cover, you'll need some water tubes to hold it down over the wintertime. If you use water tubes, lay out the tubes, placing them through the loops on your cover. Fill the tubes with water to about 85% of their capacity. Now that your pool is winterized, be sure to check on it every week or after any major snowstorm or rainstorms to make sure everything is safe and secure. If you're looking for an easy-to-follow tutorial to close and prep your pool for the off-season, check out our Pool Winterization video course. You'll get in-depth video lessons and step-by-step downloadable guides covering everything you need to know about closing your pool. This is the ultimate manual for winterizing in-ground, above ground, and Intex inflatable pools. And once you learn how to close your pool yourself, you can save hundreds of dollars every year by not having to hire a professional. So because you're watching this video, you can go to swimuniversity.com/winter and use the promo code video to get 10% off the pool winterization video course right now. That's swimuniversity.com/winter and use the promo code video. If there's a pool care topic you'd like us to cover in a future video, please leave a comment to let us know. And hit the like button below if you found this video helpful. If you want to learn more about pool maintenance and troubleshooting, subscribe to our channel for more videos like this one. And check out the Pool Care Handbook and video course at swimuniversity.com/pool. Don't forget to enter the promo code video to get 10% off. That's it. Thanks again and happy swimming.